All right, in this episode we're gonna be reviewing the brand new Corolla crossover. And the first impression of this car is actually very surprising. Like when I pulled up to it, I thought it was a Highlander, but it's a little bit smaller than a Highlander. Same platform as the Lexus UX, I want to say the Toyota Prius, and the Toyota Corolla. It's this new body frame. It's super quiet. It's got a windshield that blocks, I want to say 99% of the UV rays, which is pretty cool because, you know, most forms of skin cancer is caused by UV rays. Folks be getting that melanoma. Brakes are hella smooth. Comes equipped with a 2.0 4-cylinder. It's not a lot of power, but it's the power you need when you're in the city. It gets about 33 miles a gallon on the highway, probably about 31 in the city. Has a CVT transmission. Really nice turning radius. It's got the auto start and stop, electronic parking brake, and the hold. I think that's pretty cool. Now that I've been using that a lot, kind of feel spoiled. 10-inch heads-up display. Pretty nice. This is the XLE too. The XLEs come standard with the alloy wheels. It's got the all sense for probably like the lane departure, radar cruise control, LED headlights. Select plastic, doesn't fade, can withstand an impact up to 120 miles an hour or 120 pounds of force. It's that Blizzard Pearl also. It's pretty nice. It's pretty spacious in the back seat. I'm about 5'6". Fit in here pretty nice. This is soft text leather too. Comes with 8 layers of memory foam. And it has stadium seating too. That way you don't get car sick sitting in the back seat. Let's see what the trunk looks like. Cup holders. Automatic windows in the back. AC in the back. That's cool. I don't think the other Corollas had that back then. Automatic trunk. Seats fold down, I'm pretty sure. It's come with a spare tire. It comes with a spare tire. That's what's up. Let's see, have a look under that hood. Like I said, it's just a 2.0 4-cylinder. Takes 0W16. I'm gonna close that trunk from the front if possible. Yep. Look at that. I like that. All right. Take the parking brake off. Let's check the sound system. See what kind of mileage we're getting. Does it show you all that? Touchscreen, so that's good. Toyota's infamous A-flat sound for the seatbelt chime. This comes in an all-wheel drive model too. I want to say for an extra $1,300, which would probably be pretty cool to get. Give it some slight off-road capabilities. This steering is really, really nice. Probably has electronic steering. has an auto dimming mirror. It comes with a sunroof too. That's pretty fly. Pretty fly. You know, I would honestly make these like a HerbzAutoCare fleet car if it was up to me. Brakes are super smooth. I'm gonna turn right here. Saints fans, go Saints, who that? I really like that you can actually, this is actually touchscreen too. Navigation app is not installed, please check website. So typically what that means is there's an SD card that probably wasn't installed. That's cool, most people have their phones. Yeah, this is really nice. Yeah, I like this car a lot. I would definitely get one of these. It's super smooth. It can tow, I want to say, up to like 1,500 pounds, which is really good also. That's really all you need if you have a Corolla. Can't see you towing anything that big. And if you need to, just go ahead and get you a 4Runner. Like that. That red line represents 1 foot of clearance. Like that. Automatically applies the parking brake when you put it in park too. It's pretty cool. Push button start. Yeah, it's a lot of space. It's a lot of headroom in here. This be everything you need. This will kind of compare to like the Subaru, the Chevy Track, the Honda HR, the Lexus UX. Pretty much all those models. "20-inch wiper blades, 14-inch on the passenger." This Blizzard Pearl is really nice too. Even got a rear wiper. Probably like a 13.5 gallon tank, or maybe 14. I believe that's what comes on the Corollas. This is the most reliable system ever. It'll never go out on you. Check 0W16. Alternators right on top. AC compressors right at the bottom. Ignition coil is right on top. I feel like it's missing an engine cover. I feel like it is. There's a high pressure fuel pump right there. So this engine has direct injection, which means that it shoots the fuel directly into the engine. Computer, easily accessible air filter. Air ducts drive the air into it from both directions. What else? I think this is like some kind of variable intake, to where it may allow more airflow when you hit the gas. VVTi. A lot of heat protection. This little engine must get hot. Surprised they didn't put a turbo on it. That's probably for the better too. You definitely see this car getting about 200,000 miles. Fuel injectors are right there too. So your cabin air filter would probably be located in the glove box. Your heater core hoses right there. CVT transmission. That's pretty nice. Pretty nice. Comes with a nice key. Boom. My old Camry had me spoiled with that. All right, and that pretty much concludes this car review by HerbzAutoCare.